Because rear impacts are so common, we still see a lot of injuries, even though we've seen significant improvements in seat and head restraint designs. So we wanted to see if a new type of active head restraint could push improvements even further. Active head restraints that change the position of the head restraint during the crash have been on the market for years. They allow more space behind the occupant's head for comfort, but can move the head restraint into a better position for safety during the crash. This design, however, is unique because it uses rear-facing sensors to activate the head restraint prior to the crash. In order to understand the benefits of this design, we looked at this in two different types of tests. First, we looked at it on our acceleration sled to see if the improved geometry of this design showed a benefit. We saw on the sled that the dummy forces and accelerations were lower with the better positioning that this head restraint provided. Then we looked at it in a full-scale vehicle test. The rear-facing sensors were able to detect the impending crash and readjust the head restraint closer to the occupant's head prior to impact. Designs like these that take advantage of active safety sensors to improve crash outcomes provide new opportunities for vehicles to adapt to the occupant.